Welcome to Yoga with Em. My name's Emmy and I'm going to lead you through a morning sequence. So this is going to be great if you want to start getting into a morning practice. This could be your first point of call, or if you've just got 10 minutes, then this will be perfect for you. Remember to listen to your body and just to move within the range of motion that feels comfortable for you. The beauty of this is you can pause the video at any time. So let's hop onto the mat and begin our morning practice together. This is yoga for every day, for everybody. So let's begin together with our morning routine. Please step to the top of your mat and make sure you've got a nice space around you. So just make sure there's nothing in the way and you've got a nice quiet space to work in, that you'll be uninterrupted. Bring your hands to your heart. We're going to take a few breaths here. Ground down through both feet. Engage your core, so draw those abdominal muscles in slightly and stand tall. We're going to inhale together, reach on out, expand through the chest, and exhale, bring your hands back to your heart. This time reach for the sky. Inhale, reach up, and exhale. Feel centered and grounded. One more time, inhale, open the arms wide. And exhale, hands to your heart. Reset. Inhale, a full body wake up stretch. And exhale, coming back through center, hands return to your heart. Reset your feet if you need to. Your feet can be the hip width, or as I am doing, I've got my big toes touching and heels slightly apart. And we begin in mountain pose, Tadasana. Fingers reaching down to the earth. Roll your shoulders down and back. Slight engagement of the core. Lengthen through crown of head. Stand tall, grounded, in our stable mountain. Let's begin together. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Extended mountain pose. Exhale, hinge at the hips, fold forward. Bend your knees as much as you need to. From here, let's step our right foot back. And you can either stay here for a moment with the knee lifted or drop your right knee and lift the eye gaze. I really like to get into the hips. All right, find that firm hand placement and step your left foot back into plank. We're going to take the low option to begin with. Drop your knees down to your mat. Engage your core, keep your elbows close to your ribs, and as you breathe out, lower all the way down. Baby Cobra, Bhujangasana. We take a gentle back bend as we inhale, lift the eye gaze. Exhale, lower all the way down once again. Press into the hands and send your hips back and then high. Make an upside down V shape, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot to the sky, three-legged dog. Exhale as you step your right foot through in between the hands, and you can help it there. You can use your right hand to guide it into place. You can drop the back knee if you like and really feel that beautiful stretch in the hips. And then tuck the back toes. Step that left foot in between the hands, forward fold. Ground down through the feet and then rise. Sweep the fingertips up and overhead. Exhale, hands to your heart. So we've really stretched and lengthened the whole body. We've started hopefully to feel a little bit warmer now this morning. So let's flow through that sequence one more time on the left. Inhale, extended mountain pose. Exhale, hinge at the hips, fold and bend your knees generously. Step your left foot back, option to keep it lifted or drop to the mat. And then step right foot back into plank. You can drop the knees down to the mat or keep them lifted. Engage your core and now lower down with control. Baby cobra, our gentle back bend. Lift your eye gaze and your heart. And then exhale, send the hips back and high. Downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide. Press strongly into the ends of your fingers. Inhale, left leg to the sky. Three-legged dog. This is going to help you get the momentum to get that left foot all the way through in between the hands. You can help it there. Step right foot forward, forward fold. And now let's inhale and rise together. Take that good morning full body stretch. Reach for the sky and then hands to your heart. Exhale. Reset in mountain pose. Roll your shoulders back once again. Ground down firmly through the feet and breathe. Let's flow through that one more time together. Inhale and rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right foot steps back. Pause here. Left foot steps back, plank from toes or knees. Lower down, exhale. Inhale, baby cobra, back bend. Exhale, hips back and high, downward facing dog. Inhale, three-legged dog, right foot lifts to the sky. Exhale, step right foot through. Left foot follows. Exhale into your fold. And when you're ready, inhale and rise. Sweep the fingers up overhead. Exhale, hands to the heart. Keep flowing with me. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left leg steps back. Exhale into your downward facing dog. Step that right foot back and then float into your plank from your knees or your toes. On an out breath, lower down with control. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, hips back and high, downward facing dog. Left foot to the sky, three-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale, left foot steps in between the hands. Perhaps you drop the back knee. Tuck the toes. Right foot steps in between the hands. Breathe out as you fold. Inhale and rise. And exhale. Hands to your heart. Hopefully you're feeling nice and warm. You're feeling the energy flowing, the chi flowing, or the prana, the life force flowing around your body. And while we're standing at the top of our mat, we're going to balance together. So let's balance on the right foot. Ground down through your right foot. And then maybe the left toes just touch. Or left foot presses into the right leg. Engage your core. Breathe with me. If you want to take the challenge, inhale, open the arms wide. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, reach for the sky. Exhale, hands to heart. I hope you enjoyed the challenge. Place the foot back down. And let's take tree on the other side now. So you can just have the right toes touching down, or the right foot can press into the left leg. Just avoid pressing into your knee joint, please. Engage your core. Let's breathe together. You can join me with the arms if you want to. Opening wide, inhale. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, reach for the sky. Exhale, back to your heart. With control, release that foot back down to the ground. Release your hands. Roll your shoulders back and down. What a great start to our morning. Namaste.